was awesome. I do have I tried it. I had the front facing camera on before, but the only thing you would be able to see right now is just my hand, and it's not really showing anything. This log was 22 inches starting out, almost 23 inches. Well, that really opened up, didn't it? That opened her up. Hold on, let's fix that. There you go. I was afraid it was gonna take another giant cut. Oh, what's that? Did we break down a lot? We don't have a whole lot of breakdowns. Well, a lot of it's like electrical, or the eyes that are all over the